November 300, Julie Whiskey, Theater, retire, hello, runway 1, line up point.
Line up for white, runway 1, 300, Julie Whiskey.
Gulfstream 1 Lima Echo, left on Lima, please, and contact ground point 9, good day.
Good day, sir. Left on Lima, 121.9, thank you.
Ignition 0, Julie Whiskey, wind 070.5, runway 1, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 1, 300, Julie Whiskey.
Flight jet 393, Theater, retire, runway 1, line up point.
Runway 1, line up point, flight jet 393. Power's coming up. Nice and stable. Doing takeoff, power is achieved, panel is clean, airspeed's alive. 70 knot cross checks.
Pounder 40, coming cross India at 1500, please.
We're doing it. Great, gear up. Big 2 plus 10, flaps up. Power back. We'll go autopilot on.
Citation 0, Julie Whiskey, contact New York departure now, 119.2, good day.
19.2, 0, Julie Whiskey, good day.
United 2266, climbing to 10,000 and call New York on 120.85, 2085.
2085, 10,000 at 2226. Departure citation 300, Julie Whiskey, level like 2000.
Station 300, Julie Whiskey, Newark departure, radar contact, turn left heading 290.
290, 0, Julie Whiskey.
Number 33 kilo, if you're on, ident.
33 kilo, ident.
33 kilo, radar contact 4 south of Morristown, 18 VFR at or below 2500 and call approach on 27.6.
Calling approach 27.6, 2500, 33 kilo.
Gotta slow her down. Cabin is pressurizing.
Number 300, Juliet Whiskey, climbing to 6,000.
6,000, Julie Whiskey.